As you can see, we are currently mixing the solid chocolate with the melted chocolate to get to 30 degrees. So it will be the perfect temperature, and we can put it in our little template that we have created from scratch by using these toppings.
What toppings have you used?
We have used some white jazzles, we have used some Oreos, and we have used some popping candy coated in milk chocolate.
Hi, I'm Imogen, and the problem we've got at the moment is cooling the chocolate. So we can get it through, however, when it gets into the bed it's still too hot to do anything with, because then it just kind of collapses. So what we were looking into is like different cooling systems. So Spondy's got one at the moment that he's going to talk about now, and then we kind of researched a different way of maybe we could do it.
The cooling system
Okay.
can either work as, you can either have a separate water tank which can be
Okay.
sized depending on how big of a product you want to make.
Okay.
If it's a small one, you can actually have a very small like kind of bag / tank type system,
Okay.
which has a tube that which funnels out, and you can pour freezing cold water down the tube into the tank.
Right.
Or you can have a interchangeable, slight simple freezer bag mechanism where you simply get a freezer bag from the freezer
Okay.
and slide it under the bed.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Whenever it gets too warm, you can always replace it. You can always buy them simply from.
Yeah. I just want you to focus on the parts that you need to 3D. You need to design using the CAD Fusion.
The gears, so
Okay.
they could be made out of polymer, and they have suitable dimensions as well. So for example, this one,
Yeah.
it's 66.2 millimeters.
How many parts did you discover that you need to design for printing?
Through 3D printing.
Yeah. How many
There's
parts
about-
were there all together?
There's about 5, but we mostly concentrate on the gears.
I'm Javante Morgan. I'm involved with Avatar 3D printing project. We were given a task to design and sketch parts of the extruder. We printed them on a 3D printer and we have assembled it, and this is my finished project.